Hey, hi everyone, welcome back. As part of the previous session, we have seen how exactly we can handle a simple alert. Now, let us see how exactly we are going to handle this confirmation alert. So, what I'm going to do right now, whatever the program is there, copy paste that particular program again, and I'm naming it as alert 2. Okay, and I'm just naming it as an alert 2. And as part of this particular one, let me do the modifications. So here, this time I want to click for JS confirm. So here, click for JS confirm. I'm just updating that particular text. Okay, perfectly all right. And the next thing, the dialog handler. So I don't know what exactly the messages that it's gonna print out and what exactly the type of it. So hence I just uncommented, whatever the previous expects are there. I just removed those things. I just added a console.log and I'm using this accept method, which will be clicking on an OK button. So basically, if at all you want to click on a cancel, you will be using this particular cancel button. That's it. You will be using this particular dismiss. So whenever you use a dismiss, it will be clicking on a cancel operation. Whenever you are using an accept, it will be clicking on an OK operation. Okay, perfectly all right. Let me try to run this particular program and check it out whether it is, handling it properly or not. I just changed my script and let me try to run this program to see how this is gonna work out. So my script is getting executed, and here if you look at it right now, this got updated and it handled it. So that's the reason here you see you clicked on a cancel. As we clicked on a dismiss, right? Here the result you clicked on a cancel is being showing up. So whenever you click on a OK here on this, see here you clicked on an OK. Whenever you clicked on a cancel, as a result you clicked on a cancel is being populated for me. And if you see here, this is a confirmation type of an alert, and I'm a JS confirm. These two are there. So the simple thing here is I just added the assertions using my Copilot suggestions itself. I haven't done anything. I just added using my Copilot suggestions itself. Whatever my Copilot is prompting me, those suggestions, I just accepted those one. The message is gonna be I'm a JS confirmation, and the type is gonna be the confirm. That's it. I just added it, and still we are clicking on this dismiss itself. So let me try to run this particular program again. Okay, the script is being executed. Okay, the script is being executed, and when I run this particular program, see it handled it and it clicked on a cancel, and the execution output got a printed. For suppose if I uncommented the accept button and execute this particular program, let us see the result, what it's being printing down here. Okay, let us see the result. So when I execute it, so it clicked on it. See, you clicked on an OK, got a printed. So with which we can confirm that OK got a handled successfully. Okay, so this is the way how exactly we can handle the confirmation alerts. So as part of the next session, basically we will be looking at how exactly we are going to handle this prompt alerts that we will study as part of the next session. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.